Sejin Technical Industries booked their initial order, around €2.8 million, with Estonian Marine and Manufacturing Initiative and Estonian suppliers for Ro-Pax ferry project in Korea in February 2022 after 10 days visit to Estonia.
As the ambassador of Estonia to South Korea, I'm very happy to see that business contacts between Estonian and Korean companies are intensifying. With Sejin Tech being world's top marine accommodation provider and Estonian manufacturing industry being known for its good quality of work, I see a great potential for taking this good cooperation to the next level. The €2.8 million initial deal between Sejin and the Estonian Marine and Manufacturing Initiative and Estonian suppliers is very promising. The embassy will continue meeting Korean companies in collaboration with Enterprise Estonia's Korean office to look for export opportunities for Estonian products.
Despite deciding to build the IOM steam packet Ro-Pax ferry project in Korea, the shipowner wanted to maintain a European feel. Sejin felt that Estonian suppliers would be a good choice given their solid references in this field, cooperative prices, and ability to meet project schedule. Sejin is excited to have signed a LOA with Hyundai for turnkey accommodation for the Kiwidale Ro-Pax ferry project in 2021. We look very much forward to engaging Estonian supplier for this project too, and are confident that these vessels will present significant opportunity to Estonian suppliers.
Through an initial deal among Sejin Tech, EMI, and Estonian companies, we have confirmed the competitiveness of Estonian products and services in the Korean market. The perception of European products in Korean market is generally favorable. Estonian products are competitive from both a product and a price perspective. Furthermore, as an EU country, Estonia has an immense potential in Korea.